Okay, this is our tandem. We ride it quite a bit because we always ride together a lot, and the back wheel is really the bearings are starting to get really loose, and it has been making some crunching noises and stuff. So we're gonna tear apart the wheel and check the bearing. Can you see me? Okay, have a crescent wrench here, and this is a cone wrench for the inside. I'm gonna slide that on there, and then take this one, put it on this nut, and push them together. Got that loose. Take the lock nut completely off. This stuff hasn't been apart and done and worked on since I got the bike, like probably 7 years ago. Take the lock nut off, the spacer, then the cone nut, or the bearing cone. Oh, I got it going now. There, now it's going. We're going to check and see if any of these bearings are like cracked or something, or damaged, because it's been crunching quite a bit. There may not be very much grease in it because being that this is a, kind of a cheaper tandem from Walmart, they tend to not really do a good job at everything. And okay, it looks like this is one of those ones that you have to be able to pull the gear cluster off, or the freewheel off, and I don't have the tool for that, but these bearings look to be okay, so I'm going to put them back in and just put some grease in it and try and tighten it and try and tighten it down to where get the slop out of it. Maybe there is no cracked bearings. It was maybe just crunching because it's been so it's so loose. We're going to take some of this white lithium grease and squeeze it in there, quite a bit of it, and then we'll put the cone bearing back on. I'm going to check and see if there's any scratches or wear to that, or any chips that broken out of it. Nope, it's good. So I'm going to put that back on. Nope. Okay. Still got quite a bit of slop in it. It doesn't seem, if I tighten it, no. This wheel is going to be shot. Yep. uh, the axle is actually bent because it's, when I rotate it, you can see that the axle is actually bent. It's going up and down. Can you see that on the camera? Can you see how the axle is slightly going up and down? It's shot. So we're going to have to change the wheel. We are going to switch this tire and tube onto this other wheel. The other wheel is not exactly straight, so we'll have to do some truing of that wheel, but that's going to be another video. The gear ratio on this is going to be a little bit different because this has the mega range on it, and the wheel that we're going to put on it's not mega range. It's okay. So take this, get it in this tire tool, get it in there like that, and just take it all the way around. And you can just, once you get enough of it out, you can just pull it with your hands, pull this off, and we can switch it to the other wheel, making sure that this tire is is going to be going in the right direction. There's the arrow. Wheel turns this way, arrow's that way. We're good. And you don't really need the tire tool to put it back on. Just work it around, push it back in. Okay, now I can get the tire pump and pump it up. This is actually my tire pump that came with my electric scooter. Maybe we'll do a video about the electric scooters, because we both have electric scooters. We both have Hover One electric scooters. I have a Hover One Alpha, and I'm not sure what Marge's scooter is. I think Marge's scooter is like a little kid's pink one. I'm not sure what the brand is on it. A little bit more. And I guess once we get this on there, we'll see how bad this tire really is. And get this chair out of the way. And then, of course, we'll have to readjust the shifters, and that'd be another video, I guess. So I guess we're going to have about 3 videos on this bike here. That's pretty close. Okay, I'm going to try and get this side of it tight first, the drive side tight first all the way, because I need to get that nut off this side so we can put our trailer hitch thing back on. And we'll probably have another video about making that trailer hitch drop thing that I was talking about making, so that we can drop the trailer down, because the trailer sits on this thing a little high. I don't know if it would sit that way on all bikes or it's just on this tandem. But for some reason, I don't like the angle of the way the trailer sits. Okay, our trailer hitch. Trailer hitch, the washer, the nut. I plan on trying to put out at least one video a week for our channel. And this tire is pretty damn bad. It's pretty bent. It's going to take quite a bit of work. So it's on there. And it settles. Hook the brakes back up and then we'll really see how bad the wheel is. And I have about 30 bikes, and we're just going to go through all the bikes and fix all of them and show you different things that are wrong with each one and stuff like that. And we're just trying to get started with this channel, and we may be doing some 3D printing stuff, like 3D printing parts, brackets, or whatever accessories for bikes. Well, please like and subscribe. Thank you.